This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. The lesson I'm on is titled Binary Image with Artist, and I'm working on Puzzle 4. Which of the binary strings, which is a string is a set of characters, so think of words, sentences, anything in quotes, below could you loop 8 times, so could you repeat 8 times to draw this image? Oh my goodness. Okay. So, and remember, 1 is on, 0 is off. 1 is true, 0 is false. So it's off, off. Okay, so it's definitely not on, on. Nope. Okay, so this is off, off. Wait a minute, that's not though. Is it? It's 2 off, 1 on, 1 off, 1 on. That still matches this. And then it's that all the way, and then the last one's on. Ah, I think it has to be that. Let's give it a try. Ta-da! Awesome. Onward!